Euro USD analysis. My name is Paradise. If you watch one of my videos that I did recently where I told you to buy Euro USD at this very area, and that position was as a result of the divergence on the chart. You see, divergence on the chart, market is moving downward. But if you connect these two areas on the MACD histogram, market is moving upward. And that is a bullish divergence. What it means is that the market is going to move upward. And for that reason, I said you should take a buy position for scalping and for day trading for few hours. If you watch this very video on the channel right here, Euro USD trade signal, you can confirm this very analysis out yourself. So right now, if you took this position, congratulations, you should be in profit. And market is going to still continue a little bit upward, but I don't want you guys to be cut off this week Wednesday because of the CPI data. Market is going to move upward, but I want you guys to close at this very area of 1.07500. Once the market move up into this very price level, close, because this area is a strong resistance. And if you are scalping, you can close your position because of this very area of resistance. Market is going to go up a little bit and then begin to come back to the downside. That is what I am expecting right now on Euro USD. And if you check USD JPY, in my last video, I talked to you about the market moving a little bit and then it will come back down. That is exact same thing we are seeing right now as market open. If you also watch this video on the channel where I talk about USD JPY, this very video, I talked to you about the market moving downward after a little move upward at this very area of resistance. And the market is going to come to the downside. And you see, market gap down, and right now market is at this point. What I'm expecting right now on the chart is the market to move a little bit upward and continue its movement to the downside. In fact, on USD JPY, you need to now focus on shorting the market instead of buying the market, and stay put on this very channel. I am going to be updating you on USD JPY and Euro USD as we move into the trading week. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.